Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Saurabh Kaur. Today we will discuss about the case report form. In case report form is structured document or questionnaire used in clinical research to collect data on each study participant or subject. It is essential tool for systematically gathering information about the participants' medical history, treatment and outcomes during the course of clinical trial or research study. Here are some key aspects of case report form are as follow. First one is a participant identification. Each CRF is typically assigned to unique identifier to match the data with a specific participant while maintaining confidentiality. Second one is a demographic information. The basic details about the participant such as name, date of birth, gender and contact information. Third one is a medical history. Information about the participants' medical background including pre-existing condition, previous treatment and relevant medical event. Fourth one is the informed consent. Documentation of the participant consent to participate in the study, study specific assessment, structured section for recording data related to the study such as vital sign laboratory test results, physical examination and assessment specific to the research objective. Sixth one is the adverse event. A section for recording any adverse event or side effects experienced by the participants during the study, including their severity and relationship to the study and convention. Next one is a concomitant medication. In detail of any medication or therapies for the participant is receiving in addition to the study intervention. Eighth one is the treatment and intervention. Information related to the administration of the study treatment, dosage, frequency and compliance. Second last one is the study visits and timeline. The timeline indicating when the each study visit occurred and with what assessment were performed during those visits. 10th one is the signature and the date. The signature of the study staff responsible for completing the CRF and the date of data entry. Last one is the data validation. Quality control measures to ensure the accurate and consistent data collection, including checks for missing or consistent data. Next one is the signature and date. Signatures of the study staff responsible for completing CRF and the date of data entry. The CRF plays a crucial role in maintaining the accuracy and integrity of the clinical trial data. They are typically designed to align with the study protocol, are used by healthcare professional, clinical research coordinator and investigators to systematically record participant information throughout the study duration. Once the completed CRF are usually submitted to the study sponsor or data management team for data analysis and reporting. That's all about the case report form. Thank you.